Welcome to Spain.
Spain is a large country with a population of approximately 48.8 million. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the Costa del Sol region during the winter season, as we're filming here in January. Costa del Sol is a coastal area located in the south of Spain, belonging to the province of Malaga in the autonomous community of Andalusia. The main center and largest city is Malaga. But the region is also known for its popular resorts such as Marbella, Torremolinos, Benalmádena, Fuengirola, and Estepona. Costa del Sol is one of the warmest and sunniest regions in Europe, with over 300 sunny days per year. Winters are mild, while summers are hot and dry. Costa del Sol offers a great variety of options for both hiking and dining, along the coast as well as in the mountain areas. One of the most famous hiking trails is the Caminito del Rey and the El Chorro Canyon. Some trails can be very difficult to hike in summer, as the sun is scorching and there's little shade. That's why it's best to visit such places in spring, winter, or autumn. It's an ideal time to explore the Caminito del Rey, the Sierra de las Nieves, or the Montes de Malaga Mountains. Daytime temperatures are just right for hiking without overheating. The views are clearer and more vivid in winter. The food culture of southern Spain, especially in Andalusia, which includes the Costa del Sol, is one of the richest and most distinctive in the entire country. It is a light, Mediterranean-style cuisine, featuring plenty of olive oil, vegetables, fish, and seafood. The hot climate has influenced the dishes. Cold dishes, such as gazpacho, light salads, and grilled foods are often served. Tapas are very traditional in Andalusia, and throughout Spain. They are often served in bars and restaurants in small portions, perfect for sharing and tasting with friends. Of course, Spain is also famous for its wines. The wines are mainly made from the Palomino Fino grape, but sweeter varieties also include Pedro Jimenez and Moscatel grapes. The narrowest part of the Mediterranean Sea is located at the Costa del Sol. Gibraltar, in Europe, and Morocco, in Africa, are separated by only 15 kilometers. On clear days, especially in winter, January, February, the mountains of Africa are fully visible from Spain. If you're looking for a place with winter sunlight, pleasant climate, affordable living, and no summer crowds, southern Spain is the perfect destination.